Really?
Mind if I hold this out?
You had to take that off?
Yeah, I'm taking it off. It's scraping up against shit.
How far does that go back?
Good ways.
It goes left.
Yeah, it goes, but a hard left.
Can't fuck with them fat boys. They're going.
Oh, lost the bottle. Well, that's not working.
It goes to the right. And it goes left. Looks like the left gets bigger.
I'm having an equipment malfunction. Me.
Man, there's cameras all over this.
These are midnight.
You don't really have to crawl.
Left goes bigger. Right end's right there.
Okay.
Yeah, right hand's so
The only
tiny,
thing
I don't think
left-
we can get through.
We're about to go sideways through there.
Oh, I see that.
But it gets big in there.
I can't believe I didn't bring my flashlight.
Get dirty. Oh well. Look right there. Shit, that gets big. I see wood.
Really?
It almost looks like a...
How tight is it back here?
It gets pretty tight.
It's tight, but it gets bigger if you get to the tight part.
Tight, like leave your pack tight?
Yeah.
Your pack's tiny, it should be fine. Your shoulders are what I'm worried about.
It opens up. It's only about, what, 7 feet squeezing?
Maybe.
Maybe, he says.
You send Zach in first?
It gets bigger.
I didn't have to send him. He went.
He's also the skinniest of us all.
Did you check that out when you get up here? Check that out. It goes up and down, I think. Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
You leaving your pack here?
Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of drag it.
Sorry, man, getting dirty.
Huh?
Stop this part about being your own feet. Man, getting dirty.
Well, I am too. Too far.
What up?
You can almost stand up in this part.
Oh yeah.
Hey, look at this.
Nice.
Ritual candles up there.
We're not leaving here, are we?
We're just checking this out.
It looks like a dead end almost.
Oh, is it a dead end?
Maybe.
Can you get through, babe, or are you staying there?
This shit's a booby trap.
Oh yeah, booby traps.
All exploring.
The boobies, wow.
Yeah, it's a dead end.
Really?
Oh.
Yes. But this was the only way to go. All the other ones were dead ends as well.
That other one went up and down, and who knows what.
Somebody's been here doing something.
Sleeping apparently.
Yeah.
Surprised there's no animals.
Well, if they smell too much of food in here, they won't stay.
It's like a dead end, but they're keeping space.
Is there a lot of room or a lot of space to mess with in there?
Not a lot, but I mean,
You can stand.
you can stand.
Total dead end, huh?
Yeah.
Unless you're a groundhog.
No,
Yeah, that's your groundhog.
Dude, check it out.
What's your experience groundhog?
But we're checking it
Oh, that's
out.
pretty cool.
Is it a dead end?
How far does that go over?
Can you even get up there?
Maybe.
Sorry, that's on your face. You trying to get?
You gonna try it?
Yeah.
Can.
No, I don't.
Careful pulling on
Yeah,
that.
no. I'm trying to see how thick it is. It gets thicker, but I don't know if I trust that.
Yeah, it's a little shady looking.
No.
Can you?
Yeah, I see what you mean. Are you gonna try it?
Guys, I think we went the wrong way.
If you don't.
From what Amanda said, she said that you were supposed to go the other way.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Main chamber.
Oh, well, this is pretty big.
this is pretty cool. So hopefully the other's even cooler.
Yeah. If you guys want to go ahead and head that way, we'll be right behind you.
Somebody left the phone number.
You want to try to get up here?
Sure.
Alright. You need some help?
I don't know. Let me trade spots with you.
Yeah, this spot's better.
This is pretty sweet though.
It's pretty cool. An actual, like, cave.
Yeah, legitimate.
Yeah, this is a legit cave.
Okay.
Yeah, there's like a little...
I see what you're saying.
The only hard part's gonna be on your left.
Yeah.
There's an edge behind you, but I don't know if I trust it very good. Watch your head.
I guess it would help if I had a flashlight.
You want this?
Yeah.
Alright, who's shit?
There's a bear. It looks like it might go down, but pretty small.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright.
Probably a little too small to mess with.
Well, if the other way's what she says it is. Then...
Yeah. It was worth checking out, though.
Yeah, for sure.
Anything in here?
No, not much really.
It's cool looking.
Yeah, for sure.
And you get up, like, right there, look up.
Yeah, there's like some kind
There,
of cavern up
look
there.
back here, but then up.
Straight up and then behind you. Coal seam right here.
There ain't nothing to, you can't squeeze in there.
Yeah, we were looking at this, but it just kind of, it looks like it gets too narrow.
I don't know. You hold my backpack for a second, I'll go up.
You want to squeeze up there? It's a slippery.
It is a little slippery. I wish I fucking brought my draper.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it goes on up. There ain't nothing. Literally, it's just...
It looks like it goes down a little bit, but probably too small.
No, I mean like... There's rocks
Anything back there?
that are broken all the way through.
Stand up back here, but there's nothing.
Like collapsed looking.
You want to come?
It does look like a body part though. I'm not kidding.
Oh, nice.
Come here.
Justin goes.
Here. Switch it up. Tell me if I'm not crazy.
Okay, well, it's pretty big.
This one's like, it's got like a 16-foot ceiling.
Let me try to.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
10 feet of breath, that's cool.
Yeah, it's cold back in here.
Just in case.
It's a just in case. Oh, I see what you're saying, yeah.
Christ, it's Justin born.
Doesn't it look like a hand?
Yeah, it
Looks
does.
like a hand.
Yeah, it looks like a hand, like grabbing.
Yeah, it looks like a fucking hand, dude.
Like I'm a crammed hand. I think about it. Yeah.
Could be a dead body.
That's what I'm saying. It looks like a dead body. You want to go up and explore it?
Maybe if my shoes got traction.
Is Amanda coming this way?
For sure.
Is she already in?
She was in the little part before you get in. Watch out, take this.
Oh, I like timed out.
There you go. Who has service?
I was turning the light on. Wow, wow. See the hand looking thing down?
Oh yeah, it looks like an alien.
Shit's crazy.
Why's it gotta be such a tight squeeze?
What?
It's pretty tight.
Yeah, it's pretty tight.
Not that bad. If you lay down and ass scoot.
Hey, can someone come here and grab the camera?
You
You
good?
probably should go get
You
the
good?
camera. Last time I touched the camera, it broke it. I went to go be helpful. I'm like, wait, no. I can't be trusted.
There are cave crickets everywhere.
Oh, I touched the sweatpants.
The sweatpants is really what bothers me. That and that semi-fresh shit over here.
Oh,
in the
this
back
sucks.
corner.
Is there shit back
I don't
there?
understand what's a little fucking bird in here.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you came face first.
I have boobs.
I was just saying it's probably a little rough on your hardware.
Yeah, it's rough on my hardware.
It is cool back here, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
I'm snapping pictures left and right. It's what's taking me so
I'll wait till you get back here.
We
Watch
found
your
what
head.
Looks to be like a dead
Watch your
hand.
head.
Dead bodies here.
All right, so I'm going to attempt to snap a picture so you can see how.
I'm turning off the light.
You want me to turn mine off?
That's fine. That's flash. I gotta use flash because it won't register anything. Does she get to come down in here?
Yeah.
She go the other way? Or she go out?
She's out with Rue right now. Now did you see there's two other
Yeah.
ways to go back that way?
We saw the one, and then it looked like it went up maybe, and then down. Down looks interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, this is pretty sweet.
Come here.
There's a coal seam.
Yeah, he spotted it. Oh, did you see this, Amanda, before you go too far? You see this?
What is it?
They got little tea light candles way back there.
So apparently this is a party house.
Something like that.
Quick and easy. The other side's probably more technical.
Go check out the what he's gonna show you.
I'm gonna show you his bit. I'm pretty sure you got that hand on the video too.
Yeah,
What?
it looks like a hand,
What appears?
Coming out of like a.
like up there where Justin's at.
Sweet.
Yeah, it is.
Where did the fence come from?
I don't know. Clothing, or maybe a tent cover. I don't
Like
know.
a booby trap.
Yeah, no, if it had been the other way, it'd been like,
Okay, you're gonna stop. and start
Andy,
climbing up.
we have a problem.
So if you look back here,
Good place to hide some treasure.
Watch your ankle.
back here, way back here. So
Alright, I'm
you
gonna
gotta
go.
climb up
I'm gonna
here
get
on these two,
Bag or something.
and hoist yourself up here, and then look back. You'll see that what appears.
That
to
is
be the
another
hand.
chamber, isn't it?
Mhm.
Jesus. Who's got it? My camera's not working this. I'll reach for it. Can you snap a picture of that?
Yeah, there's nothing.
Hey, Zach. Look back this way if you can. Actually, that was funny. That was
Check out
this.
the hand up here.
That's what it feels like in here.
Yeah.
This is a sideways.
Calcium.
Yeah.
Situation.
I'm guessing it's
See.
right here.
And some pretty cool pictures, though.
And there's rips all the way down. Here, let me get down.
Look at that. That goes all the way up.
Oh yeah. Let me get down here to help you up, just in case if you fall.
You know what?
Or you're not climbing up.
I see it over.
Okay.
Push back.
What we did was foot straddle and climbed up.
I don't know if I can foot straddle. I got a jacked up ankle. I don't know if I can get up there. My
You
ankle
wanna
bother me.
stand on
Huh?
my shoulder?
It don't matter. It's just my ankle's gutted right now.
You can put one there, that one there, and then bring the other one up.
I'm shining up top so you get at least a piece of it.
Oh my god, everything's crumbly.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Sorry.
That'll look cool in the video. Knee to the face.
Yeah, my ankle's not gonna support me.
You sure?
Yep.
We did.
If you
look
put
up
your
there.
arm right up there, you can actually pull your body up.
You sure?
It's my ankle.
You guys want to play a game? Both lights out.
Oh, I glow, no fair.
That's
You glow too. Found you. Pretty cool though, isn't it?
Yes, it's pretty cool. No, my ankle's gutted right now. Doing that weird shaky thing.
I want to go the other way.
Yeah,
Go the other way.
your pack got filthy.
We'll send you first.
I'll volunteer if you don't want to go first.
Oh, it's your tribute!
Yeah. Ouch.
Alright, so it's tight up.
Who's got my light?
This actually I have his. Oh, that's yours.
mine. Yeah.
I was just using my phone.
How did I get down? It was a lot easier. Okay. Oh. That actually looks like coal right there.
Yeah, there was a seam up there
There's one
somewhere.
line back here too. I hate having a
Ooh,
gutted
there's a
ankle.
cricket.
Those things are disgusting.
I didn't even see any of them.
Look at the setter in here.
Yeah.
Should have left those outside.
What?
I'm going
Shades.
the other way. You?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Probably a good idea to keep my phone here.
There's a nail.
And you see his legs sticking out.
Y'all needing help up?
I'm just laughing at all I see is legs.
It works if you crawl back. It's a lot easier.
Coming from the people that have no boobs.
Okay.
You want to go first? Or do you... Hey, what's that say on the rock?
Here, hold that because I have to. What's on? It's just carvings, I think, isn't it? 97.
Oh, that's cool. You can see the outside from here.
Yeah, there's like a little gap there. This one right here is hairy.
Yeah, that's why I direction myself like that and then points it up.
Did you guys take a look up while you were crawling through there?
Oh yeah, I took pictures of it.
Okay.
It's open.
Yeah.
Nothing's in my pocket.
Here, I got a stick if you want to beat the submission out of
I got a stick.
Boy, that was graphic.
Holy fuck, dude.
Yeah. And do not let those get on you because they do bite. They're not poisonous or nothing, but they will bite.
Oh.
Could you see his face when you said that?
I walked right where you are. I
Those
was
are
like,
cave
oh,
crickets.
shit, there's a few.
Those are cave crickets, and they suck.
Here, you want a stick? I'll talk about it.
Holy mackerel.
All right. You gonna give me the camera? In your pack?
Alright, let's do it. They're not gonna jump on me, are they?
Yeah. They're assholes. Trust me.
Okay.
Kill him.
I touched the sweatpants again.
Ew.
Oh.
Here, let me let you go up and get them.
He's sending you after them.
Jump on
Up
me.
here too. They're up here too, like I'm stuck in the fuck.
Yeah, they're disgusting. Look at them all up
Did you
through
say
there.
you were stuck in the
Like they are aggressive right there. Look at them.
Yeah, maybe that's a no-go. Darren, you want to try?
Where are all these creatures?
No, nowhere. No, they're nowhere at all.
Do you know? Look at all of them back there.
They're right above us too.
Oh yeah, I had
Like,
one
look up here.
crawl on my neck. Look up there, right above you.
Oh, I see them now.
Motherfucker.
Aren't they creepy?
Now you got me panicky. I was all cool.
They're inside your mouth. They're everywhere.
This is big too. They're fucking huge. Excuse my language for the video.
It's too late.
Bleep that out.